Hi, Shimmy Shaker. Welcome to Belly Dancer Diaries and to today's workout, which is a special one. It's a Shakira dance workout. So if you love Shakira, you're going to love this one. Even if you haven't belly danced before, I'm going to teach you lots of fun moves. But I do have a deal to make with you. I'm not going to play any music. I want you to go to whatever streaming service you use now, start cranking that Shakira music up, and then join me as soon as you're ready. Okay, let's warm up, just swinging it out. So Shakira, her background is Lebanese, if you didn't know. So she is a really good belly dancer. It is in her culture, reaching up and over, getting energy in your side body. But there's a few things that she does to make her dancing unique to her. Good, and then just reaching forward, feeling it through your back. Good, and then other side, and then reaching one side, then the other, just all the way through, that's it. So you always want to loosen up before you're belly dancing. If you have any injuries, always get your doctor's okay first. Then coming down, feeling it through your lower back, and then just swinging out side to side. Good, holding one side, and then holding the other side, and back to center, rolling all the way up, and then we're just bringing one foot forward, then the other. So your ankle comes forward, and then we can roll out through our shoulders. Good, and other way, good. And then just dropping your head down nicely, circles all the way around. Nice and relaxed. And other way. And back to center, just opening up through your chest, good. And reaching through, and a little faster. So what song have you got playing of Shakira? Let me know in the comments. And let's get started with our first move. So first one is a little hip circle. We're keeping our feet under our hips, pelvis tucked in, chest up. But Shakira, the way she does it is she lifts her chest even higher. So where we might normally be here for belly dancing, Shakira is all the way up here with her chest. So just loosening up. And then you can hang your arms by your side. That's it. Keep your knees soft. Then going the other way. Ooh, love those juicy Shakira hip movements. Good, good, good. Good, good, good. Okay, and then bringing your feet out nice and wide, keeping those circles strong. Usually in belly dancing, we'd have our arms here, but for Shakira, we can have our arms on our hips or hands on our hips. Nice and juicy with those circles, that's it. Good. And other way. Really loosen up through that back. Good. Okay, let's come back to center. We're going to go 4, 3, 2, 1. Other direction. 4, 3, 2, 1. Then wide. 4, 3, 2, 1. Other way. 4, 3, 2, 1. So you go with your tempo. 4 small. 4 other way small. Big for 4. Good. Big other way. Good. And one more time. 4. Other direction. Nice. Big. And other way. Keep your chest lifted. And shake it out. Okay, next move is a beautiful Maya. She does this in Hips Don't Lie. It looks so beautiful. You got Hips Don't Lie playing now? Bringing your hip up, out to side, down. And the way she does it, again, chest really lifted. So whereas normally would be quite relaxed posture, still lifted, she's extra lifted through here. Pushing that hip down. Yeah, nice. Go along with your music. Good, good, good. Yeah, nice work. So if you're struggling with this move to get the hip up, use your feet. Really use your core and your feet. We're bringing up, out, in and down. So it's like a circle on one hip, circle on the other hip. Really working through here. You want to get those nice rolls through the stomach, but to get even more elongation, holding up through your core. Nice, and shake it out. Okay, we love our flutter arms. This move is coming into it next with a little side hop. Do you know which film clip this is from? Let me know in the comments. Jump around, go with your song. One side then the other. Good, good, good. Good. So if you're struggling with the hands, your palms face each other and then switch. Switch, switch, switch. And the legs over, tap, over, tap, over, tap, over, tap, over, tap. And then shake it out. Woo! Nice work. Okay, we've got 2 more Shakira moves to go. We're doing our undulation. So our chest comes forward, our stomach comes forward, then our hips, chest, stomach, hips. Really using that core. Again, she uses her core to bring it in. That's it. You can walk it around if you feel comfortable. Good. 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 And final move, we're bringing our feet out nice and wide and we're doing a little hip thrust. She did this at the Super Bowl, really fun move. Bringing the hips forward and back, forward and back. So if you imagine your hips are like a bowl of soup, you're tipping that bowl, squeezing through here and here, releasing through. Squeeze, release, and then speed it up. Woo! This one gets you working. Again, you can have your hands on your hips. That's it. Working to that music. You can come over to one side, over to the other side. One, and then the other. One, then the other, and shake it out. Okay, we're going to bring our moves all together now. So remember, we've got our hip circles with the chest lifted. We've got our big hip circles with the chest lifted. We've got our Mayas with the chest lifted. We've got our flutter arms, side jump, and also our undulations. So turn up that music. I'm going to take my earrings off because they're a little bit noisy. Turn up that music and follow me. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Circle. Other way. Step out wide. Other way. Good. And downward 8. Stay with it. Jump side to side. Good. Undulation. And hip thrust. Side to side, however you like. And back to the top. Other way. And wide. Other way. Good. Downward 8. Stay with it. And across. Good. Undulation. And thrust. Yeah! Okay, let's do it 2 more times. Other way. Big. Other way. Downward 8s. Stay with it. And side jump. Undulation. And thrust. Okay, last time. You got it. Big. Other way. Good. Down. And jump. Good. Keep going. Undulation. Relax your shoulders. And thrust. Woo, nice work. I hope you enjoyed that little Shakira workout. Let's just have a little stretch, reaching through. So let me know in the comments, what songs did you have playing while you did that one? I have a few favourites of Shakira. She's got so many different styles. Bringing one leg in, knees together, hip forward, feeling it through here. Good. Another side. Good. And then just reaching all the way down, feeling the release through your legs and your back. And slowly coming up and shake it out. Awesome work, Shimmy Shakers. Enjoyed that video. I hope you did too. Happy dancing, and I'll see you soon. Bye.